my channel. Today I will discuss about the second part of the railway track maintenance. So all are requested to go through the first part of the railway track maintenance, where I have discussed about the definition of the track maintenance, then the need and advantages of the track maintenance. After that I have discussed the different types of track maintenance based on the time interval as well as based on the method adapted. Based on the type interval, the track maintenance is two types. First one is daily track maintenance and second one is periodic track maintenance. And the based on the method adapted for the track maintenance, the track maintenance is also two types. First one is manual method or the conventional method, and second one is the modern mechanized method. After that I have discussed the different types of tool used in the track maintenance with diagram. Okay, now I will discuss about the remaining part of the track maintenance. Let's start.
Structure for the track maintenance. In our country, the track maintenance is a well organized affair such that the primary duty of the track maintenance lies with the civil engineering branch headed by the chief engineer stationed at the headquarters of East Zonal Railway. Okay, and the chief engineer is assisted by the deputy chief engineer of project and design, deputy chief engineer of construction, deputy chief engineer of maintenance, deputy chief engineer of bridges, and deputy chief engineer of signal and interlocking. Okay, the deputy chief engineer of maintenance is assisted by the some divisional engineer. Okay, the total duty of the division is on the divisional engineer. Then the each divisional engineer is also assisted by the 2 or 3 assistant engineer, AEN, that means assistant engineer. Under assistant engineer there are 2 or 3 PWI, that means permanent way inspector, and 2 or 3 IOW, that means inspector of works. Under permanent way of inspector there are some gang, 4 or 5. Each gang consists of one ganger or gangmate, one keyman, and 10 to 20 gangmen. The gang, that means each gang is headed by the ganger or gangmate. Okay, now let us know the duties of the gangman or trackman. The gangman is also known as trackman. There is some spelling mistake. It will be trackman, M-E-N. A will not be there. Okay, so a gangman job is to work between their defined section to patrol and to find inconsistency in railway track, like if there is any fracture in rails or fishplate joints. Obviously his job is extremely hazardous and he is also a superman to us. Okay, next, the duties of keyman. This type of scene frequently we see in the railway track as well as at the station. The duties of the keyman is that the position of the keyman is in the gang is next to the ganger, and hence in the absence of the ganger the keyman performs the duties of the ganger. Okay, and he is responsible for the upkeep and inspection of all fastenings and joints. Every day he moves along one rail on his outer journey and return along the opposite on his return journey. That means when he outer journey, then he moves along the one side of the rail, and when he returns, then he return along the opposite side within his section or part. Okay, next, the duties of a gang mate. Gang mate is obviously head of a gang. He is responsible to keep his section in good running condition at all times, specifying duties to the gangman. And second duty is to arrange tools and equipments required by his gang and to check points and crossing periodically. In case of an accident, the ganger should look after the broken fittings of the rolling stock and track components, and he keep a watch on the safety of his gangman. Okay. Next, the duties of PWI, Permanent Way Inspector. He is responsible for upkeep of his section, for which he travels over the track by push trolley and watches the defects on the track, and to distribute the work to the gangmate. And next, his duty is to maintain the account of store and stock, and in this case of accident should make necessary arrangement to start movement of the train at the earliest. This is the Permanent Way Inspector, are moving on the moving trolley. Okay. Next, the modern mechanized method of the railway track maintenance. Now, in our country, some device or equipment are used for the track maintenance. The equipments are used are the ballast stamping machine, ballast cleaner or ballast screening machine, ballast regulating machine, and also the dynamic track stabilizer. Now I will discuss about the all 4 types of machine or equipment and their working procedure or principle by the video. Let's see the video.